feel I'm the richest on the planet. Yes, richest on the planet in the history ever. Yes, I'm sitting in front of a man of happiness, God of happiness, who is super successful as an industrialist, a winner of so many awards at World Happiness Congress, has written books, and real happiness is found in spirituality. So he sings Guru Bani, the words of the Lord, the words of gurus, and that keeps him happy. And let's find out more from the great gentleman leader himself. Welcome, Gurmeet sir.
Well, thank you, thank you.
बस अब आप प्लीज शावर कीजिए अपने अनमोल रतन and please tell us about Talveen Foundation.
Talveen Foundation, I founded in 2009 in memory of my daughter Talveen, to whom I lost in 2008 due to bone cancer. And she was connected with our late President of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So she was having direct communication with her, always writing letters, and Dr. Saab was replying to her. In 2009, in January, when I met Dr. Kalam in Delhi, I informed him that, sir, I have lost now Talveen also. So he said, that's a very sad news. And in our conversation, he gave me one mission happiness. I said him, sir, I don't have any kind of happiness in my pockets. How can I distribute it? Then he guided me. He said me, first you gain it, become a master of happiness, and then start spreading it. So it took 2 years me to be a happy man again in life. And I started spreading happiness, smiles, just like you are smiling. In 2009, founded this beautiful platform, which is a community organization famous all over in the world for eternal happiness, long-lasting happiness. So then, since 2009, my journey of suffering converted into journey of happiness.
Beautiful. Please tell us about your books, because you have some lovely books written.
Yes, whenever I was going to deliver a happiness talk, whether it's offline or online, it was my hobby to write the points, write the text. So from those texts, the collection of papers, I edited some of the things. And in these 7 years, I have written 7 books on happiness. First one is on My Happiness. The title is My Happiness, Creating a Noble and Generous Heart, in which there is my story, my life story in some few pages. And then there are the things how I gained this happiness. And then every year, as I have delivered more than 1100 talks, so there was a big bunch of papers which I wrote. So every year I compiled something and it came in book form. One book is Nighttime Mantra for Happy Morning. There is one my WhatsApp group, famous group, Walk With Me, where more than 1,000 people are connected in 4 groups. So they enjoy every night. My one of nighttime mantra I share there. तो उसमें से कुछ मंत्रास लेकर के I compiled that book. Then there came another book, The Seeds of Joy. There are 31 seeds of joy, and one joy you have to practice daily according to the date of the month. Then came my one book, Walk with Me, which I wrote while walking with Nanak, with Farid, with Kabir in the nature, and with various masters of India. So that book, known as Walk with Me on the Path of Love, Joy and Peace. And last year in lockdown period, I wrote a small book, The World from My Window, in which during lockdown period, from window of my bedroom, I sat there and I wrote some things about this beautiful world, how we generated, how this world was generated, small things. And after that, I compiled one booklet on my lockdown period talks, the back to basics of life. And I have also written one book on Gurubani compilation, the words of my Guru. So these are about my books. And in Tavleen Foundation, we every year publish our world-class annual journal, Soul Space, in which so many personalities from all over the world write for it. So these are about my writing work.
Please tell us about your work, your business, and how you keep your employees happy.
If you are happy, then your employees will be surely happy, because I don't treat them. Basically, I am running a small scale steel industry, and there are around 40 to 50 employees within my organization working. So I teach them happiness also, and I say them, if you are happy at your home, then you will be happy at work, because everything starts from your home, right? So I share with them various small happiness stories time to time, and they are not my subordinates, or they are not my employees. I treat them just equal to me, because I believe in creating sustainable harmony among all of us, the work, the profits, the life of mine and my workers, my subordinates. So through creating sustainable harmony among all of us, the joy arises. And what they want, I try to deliver them. I take care of their children, their family's happiness. So we are a happiness organization.
Sir, now I can't listen to the whole Guru Bani or whole Bhagavad Gita, but if you can tell us the happiness Gita, in few words, in few tips, which can make our audience happy and which I can learn from you.
Oh, actually, I don't know much about the Gita, but I can tell you something from Gurubani, where Guru Nanak says, Ghar sukh vasya, bar sukh paya, kaho Nanak Guru mantra deda. If you are happy at home, if you are feeling sukha at home, then in two types. As further he said, sab kich ghar mein bahar nahi, bahar tunde so param pulahi. He says that everything is within you. Why you are searching outside? and everything is there in your home. Now he describes your home as your body is your home, first home, where you reside. And your body's home is that concrete made your house. So these two homes, and finally, your home is whole earth. So when you treat these three homes beautifully, joyfully, because you are in this world to enjoy, you are on vacations. God sent you for some time to go, my child, on this beautiful planet Earth and enjoy your vacations, right? So when we are here to enjoy vacations, then there is no dukkha, there is no suffering. We are enjoying every moment. We got this day in the morning when so many people are dying and we were alive, we were finding, I am alive. Oh, what a beautiful moment. I am alive today. So be grateful at that time. And two things which Guru Nanak describes in Guru Granth Sahib. He says, Khudi miti tab sukh bahe. When selfishness and conceit are erased, peace enters your mind and body, and then your heart is healed. This is true happiness in life. And he also says, Antar tere nidhan hai, bahar vast napal. There are all the 9 treasures within you already poured by the God. And you are searching outside. You have freely available all the 9 treasures, just like a moon, just like sun, they are freely available to you. You are not possessing them. When you see the moon, which is not under your possession, you feel happy. So there is no need of having possessions in the world to be happy. And Nanak says, you are made of non-self elements. Remember this. Elements of the earth, elements of the universe, elements of the plant, trees, water, fire, everything, and your ancestors. Then how you can say as a self one? Whenever you want to be in the mode of love, raise your eye. Then when your eye will be absent, you will be having pure love. Then only your prayer will reach to your God, the super power. If I is absence in that. So raising the selfishness and selfness is the biggest sutra of getting eternal happiness in life. You see, there is one Guru Bani in Guru Granth Sahib that is known as Anand Sahib, the Bani of joy, right? There are 40 stanzas, 40 paudis of that. When you read it, Guru said, either you are in mode of happiness, or you are in mode of suffering, or you have lost your loved one. Even then also, read that Anand Sahib. Sing that Anand Sahib. You will be immediately come out of suffering. You will be in great bliss. So this is how my way of teaching happiness to people take initiative.
Your secret of happiness in one line, sir.
My secret of happiness is that my happiness arises from my own deep knowing of self.
Beautiful.
I manufacture my own happiness as I know, as I know that my true wealth is love, freedom, and peace. My true nature is my root and my seed from where I was born. So nothing can change my happiness. No one can take my happiness because I believe in true love and compassion.
सर घर
And
में भी
I
आप खुश
know.
रह लेते हो?
हाँ, मैं घर में भी खुश रहता हूँ, बिल्कुल खुश रहता हूँ. And my wife and my son, वो मुझसे अक्सर कहा करते हैं कि आपको गुस्सा नहीं आता है, आप क्या बात है, आप बोर नहीं होते हो. मैं कहता हूँ नहीं, कोई गुस्सा हो भी तो for me he is angry version of God. Simple. So why we should be having any complaints, having any competition, any anger on anyone? No.
Business losses,
We should.
competition, sales up and down.
That is part of work. That is part of work, and we cannot take all these things on our head. And when business losses occurs, accept it. हो गया, आगे देखेंगे. And देखिए, बिजनेस लॉसेस भी होते हैं, लाइफ में लॉसेस भी होते हैं, हेल्थ लॉसेस भी होते हैं. When we are connected, when we are in this world, everything is possible. So why take the burden or why take the loads? जो हो गया सो हो गया, छोड़ दो उसको. Move forward with take another happy step on this earth. You will enjoy fully. हो गया business loss, कोई बात नहीं. We will see it further. वो तो हो गई. You are a player in the market. So होगा, उसमें क्या हो गया?
Your happiest moment, sir?
My happiest moment is just now. I am alive. I am in a happiness mode. I am right at this moment. I am talking to you only. I am available with you only. That is my happiest moment. I am not anywhere else. I am here only with myself and with you, a happy God in front of me.
Thank you, sir. I should meet you more often. I should talk to you more often to get your blessing.
Sure, you are always welcome. Always welcome. We are people. We are the people should be connected more to heal the people, heal the earth, with spreading the meaning of life, which is love everyone. Everyone should have meaning of life, either of kindness or of love, or we must know what is our essential nature here on the earth. Why we came in this world? For what? हम केवल यहाँ पर फैक्ट्री चलाने, बिजनेस चलाने, कमाने और बिजली के और खर्चों के बिल भरने नहीं आए. That is a small part of life. We are here with a bigger mission. We have to spread happiness in this suffering world. I go to hospitals in ICUs and give people support. Oh, come on. Just have a remembrance of God. Just have some happy talk. ठीक है, आपको ये bottles लगी हुई हैं, ये problems हैं. ये सोचो कि your body is ill, not you. And you cannot get healed. This is the body and this is the system of the body. It will go down. It will erode. It will deplenish, but not we, the original we cannot. So if you are going from the world back to your home, your actual home, then say with a smile, goodbye to the people here and to world. Because Guru Nanak says, if you remember death, always in your mind, because you are a traveler here. No? So if you remember death, then your karma will be pure every time. आप किसी का बुरा करेंगे ही नहीं। फिर जो आपका बुरा करेगा ना, आप कहेंगे मैं इसका भला कैसे करूं, आप उस रास्ते पर चलेंगे। that is deep knowing, which is already there with 9 treasures in our within. So focusing on that element due to which your body is alive is greatest source of joy. वो कभी नहीं कहती है कि आप दुखी हो, है ना। जैसे गॉड ने हमको भेजा with 2 choices, either live with happiness or with sadness. Now it's on you, because taking the flight for the earth from God's house, I like to be in the mode of happiness. तो हम इसीलिए आए हैं, because Brahma created us out of joy, not out of frustration. तो फिर हमें खुश रहना है। कोई दुखी भी हो तो उसको गले लगा लो ना, उसको हंसाओ थोड़ा, let him laugh. This is our mission on this earth.
सर फिर चिंता नहीं होती कल ये बिल पे करना है, चेक लगेगा, कल क्या होगा?
कल we will deposit the check. चिंता क्यों? Why worry? Guru Nanak says, सो करता चिंता करे जिन उपाया जग। तुम तो इस दुनिया में, गुरु साहब कहते हैं, तुम तो एंजॉय करने आए हो ना, तुम्हारी चिंता वो करेगा जिसने तुम्हें बनाया है, who is the manufacturer of yours. And you are on vacations, residing in a hotel known as this earth, and you are taking the worries of this hotel, or the people or staff of the hotel, or the materials of your rooms, fridge, stove, almirah, bed. Then
so I'll enjoy the vacation without worry.
Yes. So we should not be in mode of worry anytime, because और आपको अगर चिंता करनी भी है ना, चिंता आती भी है, तो 15 मिनट बैठ जाइए एक तरफ और 24 घंटे की सारी चिंताएं कर डालिए। एक बार कर डालिए तो 23.5 घंटे तो हैप्पीनेस के मोड में रहिए।
Sure. We'll follow this. 23 hours and 45 minutes in happiness mode. Happy flight, happy vacation, and celebrate the vacation.
Yes.
Choose happiness.
Yes.
Thank you so much for your blessings, love, and all the precious gems.
Thank you.
I really
I'm
look
most happy to be connected with most smiling personality, that is Sunny Nagpal.
I look forward to doing more episodes on Anand Sabji. Every verse we should have one episode and talk about your book.
Very
do
interesting.
Book reading sessions with you. Thank you so much.
Sure, sir. Sure. Thank you.